EnRoute Pro has been the flagship product for EnRoute for a long time, and with EnRoute 6 it really becomes even more true. There's some additions to the tool set that really fill in a couple of the gaps and make EnRoute Pro really the full-featured program in EnRoute. So one of the new additions is the automatic toolpathing. So if you're working with other design applications, or you're bringing in DXF files or design information from other sources, automatic toolpath gives you the way to process those jobs in a couple of mouse clicks, and to set up strategies and all of that match the design that you're bringing in. We're compatible with a long list of other applications. Allmaster Software, KCD are two of the primary ones, and then there's a long list of other applications that we're compatible with. So that gives you access to design information from other applications and a way to define layers to match the layers that you're bringing in from the DXF file, define how you're processing the jobs, size of sheet, the way that you would like them to be nested, and then to bring in a job and get a list of parts that you can then import and process, and then what you want to do with the way that you process it. Do you want to create output files? Do you want to create labels? All of that is in the ATP, and it's now available in EnRoute Pro. So it used to be an add-on, and it's not anymore. It's part of EnRoute Pro, and really a great added value thing if you're working with any sort of automated design capabilities. One of the other additions is something that used to be only part of our manufacturing application, and that was the kerf compensation. If you're working with a plasma or a laser, and so you need access to the fabrication capabilities, those are now part of EnRoute Pro. So if you've got the full EnRoute Pro, you also have the fabrication version of your program. So defining a kerf compensation, a kerf width, you can define things like looped corners. This is just a simplified interface for creating the offset for the kerf compensation. Here you see the loops that are put in the outside corners, so there's access to that as an option for your set of tools that you might be using. One of the other things that's available in EnRoute is the ability to daisy chain objects, and I won't go into that in detail here, but watch the movie on daisy chaining and you'll get a sense of what you can do. It's a way to minimize the lifting of the tool. So again, if you're in a fabrication application, plasma particularly, limiting the number of penetrations is a way to limit the use of the consumables, the tip on the plasma. So that's an option here with EnRoute Pro. Again, we worked hard here, in addition to all of the many other improvements to EnRoute, the many new tools, the model slicing and the component maker and all of that stuff that's part of EnRoute Pro. We brought in some tools that were traditionally more automation or manufacturing oriented, so that they can be part of EnRoute Pro, and it really is the flagship product for EnRoute. So that's the additions to EnRoute Pro.